My name is Pearl and welcome to my Swift tutorial for beginners. If you want to learn Swift programming but don't have any programming experience, then here's the place to learn it. This road to Swift might not be as easy or as hard as you think, but the most important thing is to keep persistent. If you keep on programming and also practice a lot too, I'm sure you'll get the hang of Swift. Okay, now let's get into it. The default Apple application code editor is Xcode. So this application called Xcode is only available on Mac computers that are updated to the latest version. Now, if you're not on a Mac computer, if you're on a PC or Windows computer, it's not the end of the world for you. There are online Swift playgrounds out there, and I will put a link to one of them in the description below. So you can go ahead and view that if you're on a PC. Now, if you are on a Mac computer, then you can just go ahead and install Xcode, and I'll see you there.